Come on, Mr. Bono. Oh, it's you, Bono! Oh, wow! God! Wow! Hey fans, I'm here, Dave Photography. This is actually our last night at our cottage in Scotland, Borg, near Cuba, and I've just seen the barn owl. So happy days. So I'm hoping to capture some last photos of the barn owl and possibly some deer. So don't forget to like and subscribe to me, which is and photography. So I should just leave this recording, this vlog, until the barn owl comes back. Saturday. So now it's close to 8 and I've just hit barn owl. So happy days. But obviously this is actually our last holiday. What? Last evening of our holiday in Borg, Scotland, near Cuba. And then tonight it's quite windy. So, anyway, let's be quiet and I hope to capture the barn owl again. Because it's very phone to right, so it should come back. So happy days. So yes, I'll be quiet. And that's the sun's setting. So that's good. And then I say at the top, my camera don't blow down in wind. And I'll be quiet. Come on, Mr. Bono. Hey. Yeah, what's that? Is it? Oh, it's a barrow! Oh, wow! God! Wow! Oh, God! The barn out there was flying quite high. Wow! I've never known it to be quite high before, fans. But it's a playing tricks on me. But anyway, I'm hoping that tonight to get some decent photos of it for holidays to remember. No, it's 8:20. Nice one. Oh, see you! Oh, nice one. Some good shots there, fans. Wow. So that's good. So I think they're born out to end a hell of a week in Scotland in Bourg. So yeah. And the cottages are called Brighouse. Brighouse Cottages. And it's very good and with the wild animals right in front of you. So I highly recommend Brighouse Cottages. But this is our last evening of the holiday. But don't forget to like and subscribe to me, which is and the photography. But I'm not quite used to like, this vlogging stuff. I'm just usually taking photos on that. But something that new to me again. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Wow. Flying high again. Flying high. Mm. Oh, right. That's brilliant. Oh, that's a brilliant shot of it in fight against blue skies. Um, it's a hard to show like that. If I bring down the brightness of my camera. But yeah, it's a nice one. Got a photo of it against blue skies. Happy days. Hey, happy days. And there's, as here, the sun set nicely. So that's good. Oh, see again. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, they're a bit darker then. Um, but yeah, some good ones. So I think this time the bar now will come flying high now. So at the moment we have actually blue skies. So I say when it comes over quite high, I have against blue sky. So that's good. If it does fly out, that is with a mouse. And tonight we also had the last barbecue of the evening of the holiday. Thought I saw it then at a distance, but he'll be back. So yeah, yeah. This is actually made my evening of the last evening of the holiday. Just need some day to come now, and that make my evening. But anyway, I'll be quiet now. Oh, pigeon. That is really a pigeon. There you go. And swallow. Bit crumb as a ball now. Yeah, I'll see him. It's quite windy tonight. But I'm so glad though that's in the ball now. But I won't I won't call I won't call it I won't call it I won't call it night yet though. Oh, it's here again. It's got a mouse again. Oh wow. It's got a mouse. Hmm. Oh wow, that's good one. Oh. But I have to show something on screen. Or anything's vlog. So yeah. So it should come back again. But I'll just get some more photos of it, and just cut a night, and then I say like I said, we're off home tomorrow Friday. So then I start packing up, ready for. Oh, it's here for home. Oh wow. Oh god. Yeah, probably darker them because of trees and that. Yeah, they're quite darker them. But I'll to my ISO though. I just make sure I'm on the right setting. Right setting. But yeah, I'll just get some more shots of it, and then I'll cut at night. Midges are out now, all the midges are out. So I'll just wait till Bonner comes back out, and then ask her tonight. a lot of swallows about now as well. So, then I'll just wait for 1 hour, and then I shall see call it a night. Because just thrown in the field for the mouse. God, the midges are up now. What they are. So I'll just wait until the ball comes back. That's quite a night. But don't forget to like and subscribe to me, which is it, and the photography. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram also. And then also I'm doing an exhibition end of this month, July, at Don Library. So I hope some of you can make it. Make sure I'm on right setting. I'm just also getting the right setting, so I know what setting to use. But now it's on a set. But come as by now. We'll get one final flight. Come Mr. Bono, where is he? Just need some more shots of it, and then that's it. I'm calling it a night. A holiday to remember again. Because now it's 9:15 at sunset. Oh, a crow. But also, I just need the Bono to come back now for some shots, and then I'll call it a night. But come on, Mr. Bono. Ten to 9 nearly. But yeah, I'll just give it a few more minutes for Bono to come, and then if it don't come, I'll call it a night. I'll catch decent distance. But like I said, just need Bono to come back again. But it's taking quite a while for Bonner to come back. Ten to 9. But I've got some photos of it though. But I'll just wait until something comes back if it does. It's quite a night. I'll just get some practice shots. Right, so now it's like 10 to 9 in the evening. So give it say 5 minutes and if they don't come, I'll call it a night. Come on, Bono. Come on out for more last photo. Because it's getting cold. Right, fans. My vlog has to be cut short. But I've got plenty of photos of the barn owl, which I'll show you once I'm editing this vlog. So don't forget to like and subscribe to me, which is actually and photography. So thank you and over and out. Over and out. Ta-da.
Sinking town, cashing in its luck. For those in possession are now on the run. They gave their protection from a barrel of a gun. Running wild and free. Running wild and free. Desolate streets we hide, each careful step a warning, striding side by side. The wall is faults and demons, open hands we gave, yet the